new place. Welcome to our new house. By the way, this system is both smart lock. And then this is our main door. And then upon the main door, you will see the kitchen. Okay, wait, let's check this one first. So this is just for utilities. A main switch like this. This is for the main switch. Wi-Fi, but we still need to install our new Wi-Fi. Okay, so let's go to our kitchen. This is our kitchen. They also provide some oven. Yeah, and then induction cooker. So it's already switched on. We have some light. This is for the hood. And then we have here is a big fridge, as you can see. Papa, stand on the huge fridge. So I want just to show you how big our fridge is. So like this, it's very big, which is I really like. Before I didn't notice that have fridge. So yeah, it's 2-door. Okay, like this. And then this is the sink. So I just put the bread here. This Luchik eat bread, so I just throw here this because we still don't have trash can. And then over here is the washing machine. Yeah. So we can hang the hanger here and then the clothes over here outside. Okay, so let's go. Adeline is busy over there. Let's go see. Okay, so this is just some extra cabinet. We have some dining area. So this is the table and chair. This is our living room. We have sofa, coffee table, center table like this. This is the cabinet, and we have a TV. So we also have some fan, which is nice. Yeah, we have some fan. Our window. So this area is very bright actually. So we want to switch on everything because it's still newly freshly painted. So at least all the air coming in, we have a good ventilation. My Adeline is here. I'm doing house tour. Okay, maybe she come. She already starting. I want to walk. Okay, so over here is the bomb shelter. This is the storage area. So we have some light here. Yeah, we keep our luggage. Yeah, so nice. They also give some cabinets. Okay, so let's close. You see she will walk here for sure in our house.
Yeah, this is where the house where she will.
Her first house here in Singapore, and then she will walk here also. Wow!
First step!
Wow, this is her first step! Wow, second step! Uy, good girl! Wow, so I think maybe like few weeks then she will start again. Wow! Wow!
Wow!
Wow! We managed to take video.
Yeah,
This is really the first step.
Yeah,
right? She haven't tried. Actually, she just started. Yeah, she just started standing alone. So this is really her first step. Wow, Adeline! Congratulations, you're already a toddler. Wow, Papa, we need to buy already shoes for her. Wow, good girl, good girl. Wow, we are so lucky, Adeline. Your first step was captured. So she still needs more practice. And then she did it alone. She didn't use any
She
walker.
don't ask her even help.
Yeah.
Because some kids are actually asking help.
Yeah.
She don't ask.
Okay. Yes, congratulations. May I continue the house tour? May I? Will you allow me? Okay, Papa will watch you so we can see already. Then try to walk. Follow me. Okay, so I will continue. So this is the first. This is the common toilet. So we also have mirror, washing area, our toilet with bidet, and then shower. So the shower is nice. It has a rain shower, and then this one. Okay. Have a small window, so the steam is not so like this. You see, it has a window,
Yeah,
so
yeah.
the steam later is
Yeah,
not
yeah.
too hot here when you do hot shower. So this, I think, is the, what is this pa?
Water heater.
Water heater. Yeah, nice. So we have big compartment of water heater. Nice. So this will be Archie's room. Later they will provide some office table, right? We already have some chairs, so they will just provide office table, and then some cabinet. Also have some fan and then aircon. Yeah. So let's go to the master's bedroom. Our master's bedroom comes with toilet and bath. So I think it's just the same. So wash area, mirror, toilet bowl with bidet, and then shower with, yeah, this one is rain shower. Okay. And then this is our master's bedroom. Me and kids will stay here. So this is our bed. This is what they provide. Okay, so we also have some blinds here, but the other room, Archie's room, doesn't have blinds. So fan, ceiling fan, and then aircon, and then some cabinet. I like also because they already have some mirrors, so I can check my clothes like this. Very nice. This is from our window. So it's a very bright place, as you can see here. And then the interior is really brand new. This is a newly renovated place, and then we are the first tenant.
First tenant here.
Yeah, so yeah, we're so lucky. And then this is the view. Okay.
Actually, not so noisy, right?
Yeah.
12th floor, not so noisy.
We are staying in the 12th floor. Yeah, so it's high floor. When we first came back in Singapore, like we feel a little bit giddy because we stay all the time in village, and now we are in the city, so we are adjusting again. So how we will go already? Okay, bye bye again, bye bye. So after 3 years plus, we will collect our things. We are now in a spaceship. Ready to collect our things?
Yes.
Whole family. Entering to the universe. Yeah, I already recognize our things. So these are all our things, and we're ready to collect and bring to our new house.
Wow, I remember this.
So
nice.
our
You remember this or not?
things, mostly appliances, are finally at home.
Do you remember this?
Yeah, this is for your veggie.
Noodle, making noodle.
No, like
Veggie noodle.
Yeah, like zucchini.
Zucchini, yeah.
Zucchini noodle like this. Here is the Dyson. This is like we just bought recently before. I hope still working. And then luckily we have a storage. So our scooter is here. These are 2 scooters. Now in Singapore, scooter no longer allowed. So it's just stuck in the house. Our girl is here busy. So we also have some office chair for Archie, but I think you cannot
Bit
see.
dirty.
Yeah, it's a bit dirty. I need to clean, and some stuff here. So most of these are appliances only.
I just realized we even have heater of air fryer.
Yeah, we also have air fryer.
We have so much
You see, we have a
appliances.
lot of appliances.
We have blenders,
because
juicers,
you like to
grill,
buy. Sometimes
grill oven.
yeah, this
Air
oven also
fryer.
is very new before, but you see it looks rusty already because it's stuck in storeroom. This one you
For
just
3 years.
yeah, this one you just surprised me. It just like came at home. This one, then this one also. This Arsene just like these 3 items.
What is this? We even have this. I didn't know we have this. You see?
No, yeah.
Steamer.
I also bought this is ironing. But steam, this is steam. I'm also happy because like I can use already finally my coffee maker, my Nespresso machine, because this is really brand new. You see?
We have plates. We have plates.
No, this for my Nespresso, Papa. This is one set, Papa.
Okay.
No, this is just cup.
No, I just want to show nothing is broken. Yeah, looks okay.
This is just cup.
Looks okay.
So I need to wash this. You see a lot of molds. So far so good, Papa, right?
Remember,
The storage.
this not sticky, but actually sticky. You
I
remember?
don't like this also, but
Is it for convention or no? I think it's not not convention.
I think can because last time in
We used, right?
Is it in Village we also
convention, right?
Yeah.
I
So
think
maybe we can use, but this is not so good, Papa, because it's sticky. Oh, I thought we sent this already in Philippines, but we still have. Oh my God!
Oh my God, how much we have now? You see, we have a lot of pots
This
now.
also, I like this pot. This is the pot also. I like this pot. Wow! No need to buy.
Yeah, you need to put in the... Yeah, to put... nice, no need to buy, you see, a lot.
Yeah, so we have a lot of things. Oh my gosh.
Maybe you take too much chocolate. Okay.
Papa, I didn't eat
No,
chocolate.
but how she managed to find?
Luchik! It's Luchik. We have young walker here. She's still not so confident, but every day she is gaining more skills in walking. You see? Hi! See? This little girl. We just met Archie's colleague. So now we parted ways, and then we decided to visit this park here. It's Emily Park.
Emily Park.
Yeah, so we're already, I think, on top. So yeah, both kids are playing. They like it's Adeline's first swing. Yeah, this is her first swing.
Not used to. She's still little.
Yeah. Luchik likes swing, so he's very happy. It's already dark, so like you cannot appreciate it. It's our also first time to visit this place. This is in Bugis Spa or what?
Huh?
This is in Bugis?
No, this is between Bugis and Little India. We in between. Actually, it's more close to Little India from here already.
Okay, yeah. So we just chill here, then later go buy something and then go home.
Mount Emily Park.
It's Mount Emily Park. So we just stay here in playground for the kids to enjoy. Go!
Oh, I see, Mom. She like not. You see what she do? Adeline.
Nothing. You see, Mom? Careful! Adeline! How? But why she move alone?
Like still don't know danger. You see, still don't know there. How many times she fall down? Still don't know.
Okay, take her.